Excuse me, sir.
Yes, how can I help?
Where is the train station?
It is very close.
How do I get there?
Go straight down this street.
Do I cross the bridge?
Yes, walk over the bridge.
Then what do I do?
Turn left at the bank.
Is it a big building?
Yes, a large red building.
Can I walk there now?
It takes 5 minutes.
Should I take a bus?
No, walking is much faster.
Is the station open now?
Yes, it is always open.
Where do I buy tickets?
Buy them inside the station.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome.
I will walk there now.
Have a good train ride.
Enjoy your day, sir.
You have a good day.
Goodbye and take care.
See you later, my friend.
Thanks again for the help.
It was my absolute pleasure.
Hello, do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little.
Where is the art museum?
You are going the wrong way.
Oh no, where is it?
Turn around right now.
Do I go straight back?
Yes, walk for 3 blocks.
What will I see there?
You will see a park.
Do I go inside it?
Walk through the green park.
Is the museum behind it?
Yes, it is a white building.
Does it have big doors?
Yes, large wooden front doors.
How much is the ticket?
It is free on Tuesdays.
That is very lucky today.
Yes, enjoy the free art.
Is it a big museum?
Yes, it has many floors.
I will go there now.
Enjoy your time inside.
You have been very helpful.
I am happy to help.
Have a great day ahead.
You have a great day.
Goodbye to you, sir.
Safe travels around the city.
Excuse me, I need help. What are you looking for? Where is the nearest bathroom? There is one inside here. Is it on this floor? No, it is upstairs. Where are the stairs? They are by the elevator. Go up to floor 2? Yes, the second floor. Do I turn left then? Turn right after the stairs. Is there a sign there? Yes, a big blue sign.
Do I need a key?
No, it is open today.
Is it a clean bathroom?
Yes, they clean it often.
I really appreciate the help.
You are very welcome.
I will go up now.
Do not take the elevator.
Is it broken right now?
Yes, they are fixing it.
I will use the stairs.
They are very close by.
Thank you for telling me.
It is no problem here.
Have a nice afternoon.
You have a good day.
Excuse me, I am lost.
Can I see your map?
Yes, here is my phone.
Where do you want go?
I need this big hotel.
Oh, I know this place.
Are we far from it?
It is a long walk.
How far away is it?
About 3 miles from here.
Should I take a taxi?
A taxi is a good idea.
Where can I find one?
Wait at that corner there.
Will they stop for me?
Yes, just raise your hand.
How much will it cost?
Maybe $10 in total.
Do they take cash here?
Yes, cash is very good.
Can I take the subway?
The subway is too hard.
I will find a taxi.
Stand near the yellow sign.
Thank you for the advice.
I hope you find it.
You have been very kind.
Welcome to our big city.
I will see you later.
Have a very safe trip.
Excuse me for a moment.
How can I help you?
I am looking for food.
What do you want today?
Is there a good cafe?
Yes, there is a great cafe.
Where is it located now?
Walk down this street here.
Do I go very far?
Just walk past the bank.
Is it next to it?
Yes, right next door.
Does it have good coffee?
The coffee is very famous.
Do they serve fresh food?
They have nice chicken sandwiches.
That sounds perfect for me?
The prices are cheap, too.
Do they have outdoor seats?
Yes. Tables on the street.
It is a sunny day.
Sitting outside is very nice.
Thank you for the tip.